All right, everybody, welcome back to the Driveway Engineer. I'm JR. This is my Mercedes-Benz OM617 intake manifold. It's got a pretty extreme case of carbon buildup, a lot of PVC mess. I'm going to show you guys an old school trick to kind of clean these out. That's pretty much free if you have the tools. So let me get this set up here real quick and we'll fix this with fire the fun way. I got a little distilled spirit. This isn't necessary, it just makes it more fun. A little MAP gas, a little compressed air. We should be in business here. So there you have it. That's the quickest way I know of to clean an aluminum intake. You have like a 4-liter Jeep or a Dodge Magnum or a Gen 1 small block and you've had an EGR problem or something, this will work for you. Because if you think about it, carbon is flammable. That's what charcoal is. It's what coal is. That's why we have to reduce our carbon footprints. If you get it hot enough, it'll burn. It'll burn right out of there. I could have spent hours with purple power and degreaser and everything else. That's just not who I am. I'm JR, and this is a driveway engineer, and this is the way we get down in the driveway. So I hope you enjoyed that little tidbit. If you didn't already know that that was a thing, a bunch of you are probably going to be going, I knew that, my grandpa did that, or whatever. That's who I learned it from, my papa. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on the Driveway Engineer.